Hi, and welcome to the Wayne County Probate Court. This video will guide you in filling out Form PC 597. Before we get started, this video is not legal advice and is for informational purposes only. You need to seek legal counsel to answer questions specific to your situation. So let's grab the form from the Wayne County Probate Court website, www.wcpc.us. And here's the homepage. You'll see in the upper middle, there's a link to forms. Go to the SCAO approved forms, and then click Estates, Trusts, and Miscellaneous. This brings you to the Supreme Court of Michigan's website, which has all forms for all courts, but in particular, the estate and trust forms. And then if you do a quick search Control F on your browser, you can search the form number, which is 597, and it brings you to the Order of Discharge. When you click on the link, it brings up the form, and you can begin to fill it out right on your computer. You'll start with the County of Wayne, then you'll see file number. You should have the file number from your previous court filings. However, if you can't locate it, you can go back to the Wayne County Probate Court website. The home page has a link in the upper right that's called Case Access. When you click that link, it brings you to a page called Court View. This is where all of the cases are viewable online. You'll click Accept, type in the first and last name, or the last and first name, and that will bring up. From there, you should be able to find your case number. The case number will look something like this. Obviously, you need to use your actual case number. And that's so the people in the court who are filing your document know exactly what case this belongs to. Then you'll put in the matter of. This is the either decedent or the person who has a guardianship or a conservatorship. The date of the hearing, what is generating this order is a hearing that occurred with the judge. So you'll put whatever date that hearing was. Could be today's date or a previous date. The judge's name, and the bar number if you have it. That can be found on previous orders. If not, you can leave it blank. It appears, number 2, it appears the fiduciary in this matter has fully performed the duties required by law. It is ordered. This is where the court is making its order, but you can fill in the name for the judge. This is the fiduciary's name. And then their title would be personal representative. Or maybe it's a guardian. And then if you know that this closes the case, you could put the case is closed. If it's not closing the case because maybe the guardianship is ongoing, then you will check that box. Put the date. The judge will put the date and sign it. And then if the attorney is submitting this order, they must put their name and information here. Finally, at the bottom of all court forms, you'll see references to statutes, which are MCL, and then you'll also see references to court rules, which are MCR. You'll want to research these or read these while you fill out the form so that you are informed about the law that relates to the form. So if you simply highlight and then do an internet search, this is the MCR that's referenced. So this is the court rule. Internet search that. The first link that comes up is not the one you want. You want to make sure that you do the Supreme Court's website, which is Michigan Courts, and www.courts.michigan.gov. Once you identify that, click it, and this is the electronic published version of the court rules. We wanted 5.311, which is here, and then B3 was the referenced court rule. After you read that, you'll want to read the other statutory sections. I'll just randomly pick one to show you. You want to highlight it, do an internet search. You want to make sure you're clicking on the Michigan Legislature website, which is www.legislature.mi.gov. Once you confirm that's the link, click on it. This is the website. This is what it will look like for all statutory references. And you can read it to educate yourself about the law. So that's how you fill out the form. We put this together at the Wayne County Probate Court because we care. Have a great day.